Want to create a Gmail account on your iPhone? Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Static Studio, and today's guide I'll show you the step-by-step guide of how you can easily create a Gmail account on any iPhone. It's super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to create or add a Gmail account on your iPhone, you just need to head over to the settings app of your iPhone, and from the settings scroll down to the very bottom and tap on apps, and inside the apps you just need to find out the mail application. So I'm gonna go ahead and find out the mail app. Once you get that, go and tap on mail, and inside the mail you'll get to see the mail account. You can tap on mail account and you'll get to see all the mail account that you have added on your mail app so far. So now to add a Gmail account or create a Gmail account, you can tap on add account at the bottom. Now once you select add account, you'll get to see it's asking you to enter the mail account. So all you have to do is just to tap on choose from a list. You can tap on choose from a list, and this will give you 3 different options. So just to select the Google from the list. Now once you tap on Google, go and tap on open browser. This will redirect you to the Safari browser, and inside this one you can go through the process and you can create a new Gmail account, or you can log into your existing Gmail account as well. So you can actually get into this one, tap on create account if you don't have any, and you can enter your first name and then go and tap on next. Now select your date of birth. Now go and tap on next and then enter your Gmail account here. Now enter the password here and then simply go and tap on next. And from the verifying page you can tap on send SMS, or you can directly verify your phone number and the Gmail account will be added to your iPhone. And this is how you can create a Gmail account on any iPhone. Hope you found this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.